So hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I want to be discuss about how to speak English fluently. Okay, so someone person they say to me, so how to speak English fluently. Okay, and someone person they say to me, so I am villager, so how can I speak English fluently. Okay, so guys, I say to, so I call to them, so how to speak English fluently. Okay, so at your village and how to practice with English, okay, with other persons. So guys, today I want to be say to you, and today I want to be discuss all over the topics. Okay, so guys, you have to watch my videos regularly. Okay, so I will be, I think so I want to be share with you all over the, I think so, queries or requires, so that is very important for speaking English. Okay, so guys, you don't be make a fear. So okay, I think so you don't be feel make fears and hesitations. So guys, I want to be share with you one of the best tips, and I think so best like queries and a best solution. Okay, so it is a very important for English communications. So guys, it is not I think so it is not matter to be, I think so, where you belong to, which category, which background and which environment. Okay, and which educational branch or background. Okay, so it is not matter so for the English speaking. Okay, so anybody, I think so anybody or anyone, I think so anyone person they can be speak English fluently. Okay, so right now I want to be discuss very important like topics or matters. Okay, I think so someone person they I think so they say to me, so how can I speak English fluently. Okay, so without a grammar and without I think so environment. So guys, I want to be say to you, I think so without a grammar we cannot be talking to very well English, or I think so without a grammar we cannot be, I think so communicate, or without grammar we cannot be speak English very well. Okay, so because I think so we have some of the knowledge of the grammar, it is very necessary, or it needs. Okay, and I think so after completing the grammar, so without grammar, I think so without theoretical grammar or practice, I think so you cannot be, I think so you cannot be speak very well English. Okay, so it hence you, I think so you can be more than focus on the English grammar, and like that short or simple make, I think so simple daily use English sentences. Okay, so guys, I want to be suggest to you, I think so one of the things you can follow the regular English vocabulary, like Hindi to English or English to Hindi. Okay, so it is very necessary for the English speaking. Okay, and then I think so you should be make a daily use sentence, like a short sentence or simple sentences. Okay, so I think so you should be jump to the 0 to 100, how to jump 0 to 100. Okay, so it is very important or necessary. And one thing about, I think so one thing guys about English speaking, so because of hesitation, so okay, hesitation, so I think so most of the student like a beginner or like a beginner students, so they have created some of the problems or some of the critical situation in their brain. Okay, so you don't worry about it, because I think so starting a journey or a beginning a journey, so it is very okay, it is a very difficult. So don't worry guys, I think so start करना it is very important. Okay, आई थिंक सर किसी भी चीज़ की या किसी भी एक्टिविटी की शुरुआत करना ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. ओके, जिस दिन आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो उस समय आपको बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ और बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आपके लाइफ में आएंगे. ओके, बट यू डोंट वरी फियर अबाउट दिस. ओके, सो आई थिंक सो यू विल बी स्टेइंग दिस ऑन द वन ऑफ द प्लेस. ओके, so guys, you don't worry about, so I want to be create and I want to be make it regular videos, and I want to be discuss about English speaking. Okay, so very important topics. I think so those topics it is very, I think so very important or very necessary. Okay, for the English speaking. So I think so right now, so I think so right now I am staying and I am live at my village. So my village also remote area, and okay, so now you have to see this my background or like a background, okay, behind of this my background. So I think so this is a village background, okay. आई थिंक सर ये फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि हम किस एरियाज में रहते हैं, किस गांव में रहते हैं, ओके, सिटीज़ में रहते या आई थिंक सर विलेज में रहता हूँ. फिलहाल मैं भी एक छोटे से गांव में से बिलोंग करता हूँ, लेकिन सो राइट नाउ आई वांट टू बी टॉकिंग वेरी वेरी इंग्लिश, ओके. सो इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम किस गांव में रहते हैं या किस सिटीज़ में रहते हैं, ओके. सो आई थिंक सो इट इज़ अ मैटर, ये मैटर कहता है कि हमारी जो स्ट्रगलिंग है और हमारा जो विल बी पावर है, हमारे जो हार्ड वर्किंग जो स्ट्रेटजी होती है, ओके, और हमारी जो डिज़ायर, जो आई थिंक सो जो इम्पोर्टेंट नॉलेज है उसे सीखने की जो हमारी डिज़ायर होती है वो हमारे अंदर होनी चाहिए, ओके. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और बिकॉज जो हमारे डिज़ायर, सो डिज़ायर इट इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अ डिसीजन, okay. So how to, I think so how to take a decision to be create new things and to be make it I think so some of the things, so that I think so this is a thing, this thing it is I think so creative in our lives, okay. So decision, लाइफ में डिसीजन लेना ये सबसे बड़ा उसे क्या कहते हैं, एम्बिशन और सबसे बड़ा टारगेट है, ओके. I think so which one which one of the ambition or which one of the like a target or strategy, because determination it is very very important, okay. So you don't worry guys, I think it's fair, are you belong to which I think so which category or which village or which city, it is no, I think so it is doesn't matter, okay. So how to learn English, or I think so this I think so this is a matter, or this is a criteria, it is not only for the English speaking, so any other thing, so that is a I think so you want to be, I think so you want to be achieve in your life, okay. I think so ये जो रूल्स है ये सिर्फ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए नहीं लगता, ओके. ये शब्द एनी अदर थिंग्स, अगर आप अपने लाइफ में जो कुछ भी अचीव करना चाहते हो, आई थिंक सो डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, आप जो कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो, इसके लिए ये मैटर है, ओके. सो हमारा जो बैकग्राउंड, हमारा जो फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड, हमारा एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, ओके, और हमारा जो को रेसिडेंशियल बैकग्राउंड कहते हैं, ये सब मैटर नहीं करता, ओके. सो सिर्फ मैटर करता है हमारी जो हार्ड वर्किंग और जो कुछ भी नई थिंकिंग है उसे सीखने की जो डिज़ायर होती है, जो हमारा जज्बा होता है वो हमारे अंदर होना चाहिए, ओके. सो अगर लाइफ में हमें जो कुछ भी अचीव करना है वो हमें जीरो से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है, 0 to 100, फ्रॉम 0 to 100 हमें कैसे पहुंचना है, ओके. सो इट इज़ अ मैटर ऑन दिस टॉपिक, ओके. सो आप स्टार्ट कीजिए, बिगिनर हो तो बिगिनर से स्टार्ट कीजिए. सो आई वांट टू बी कवर ऑल ओवर दी आई थिंक सो दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू द इंग्लिश ग्रामर, ओके. सो इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए ग्रामर बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज हमारे पास होना चाहिए, तभी हम उसे प्रैक्टिकली प्रूव कर सकते हैं, ओके. सो गाइज मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऑल ओवर द टॉपिक्स, जो जितने भी ग्रामर के जो रूल्स है, जितने भी ग्रामर के इंग्लिश ग्रामर के टॉपिक्स है, उसे सब्जेक्ट वाइज कवर करूँगा, ओके. सो दैट टाइम आई थिंक बिफोर टाइम्स आई डिडंट अपलोडेड some of the videos because I have some of the work, okay. So guys you don't worry about next time I think so I will be make it I think so regular videos, and because I think so it is my work, so it should be I think so it should be very important to be uploading regular videos, because I think so you are my like inspiration, because मैं जो कुछ भी एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पर करूँगा तो आपके साथ ही मैं शेयर करूँगा, ओके. सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, and you are also my inspiration to be I think so to be creating new things in my life, okay. So guys today is very enough, and today is very enough knowledge share with you, okay. So next time I will share with you very very important knowledge, okay. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos, okay. And one of the things you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, and I think so like, share, and comments this, okay. So thank you so much guys. Jai Hind.